Hi, and welcome to our instructional video on how to change the cartridge out of a Memolub. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process, and then I will demonstrate how quick this can be done. Now, the first thing we want to do is clean off the lube point to prevent any contaminants that could get into the system, and then it's safe to remove the lubricator. Now that you have the lubricator dismounted from its lube point, the next step would be to remove the housing. To do this, you want to grab and squeeze the ridges of the locking ring, push down on top of the housing, and twist the locking ring counterclockwise, and the housing will be released. Place the housing off to the side, then remove the empty cartridge and the battery pack from the unit, and now you're ready for a replacement kit. A replacement kit consists of a battery pack and a replacement cartridge filled with a lubricant of your choice. On top of the cartridge, you will find a lubricant ID card. The lubricant ID card identifies three things: the type of lubricant that is in the cartridge, the start date or the date that the cartridge was installed into the unit, and the change date, the date the cartridge will be empty and required to be replaced. It is your job to fill in the fields with the correct start and change date on the lubricant ID card. And once you have done this, it is to be placed in the top of the housing. To do this, you simply remove the spring, take out the old lube ID card, replace it with the new one, and put the spring back in the housing. Now let's insert the battery pack into the unit. Lift up the black seal and locate the battery compartment. Insert the battery pack with the label facing out and the arrow pointing down. After the battery pack is installed, the next step would be to install the replacement cartridge onto the inlet of the unit. First, prep the replacement cartridge by squeezing the lubricant to the top of the baffle and then place it over the inlet of the lubricator. The last step is to fasten the housing back over the unit. Place the housing on top of the lubricator and grab the ridges of the locking ring. Push down on the housing and twist the locking ring clockwise until it clicks. And that is how to change the cartridge. Now I'll show you how quick this can be done. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching.